Hey friends, if you wish to fix screen brightness flickering, blinking or flashing issue on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now the first thing is to restart the graphics card driver, and we have a list of buttons here. I wouldn't say commands, buttons. You have to press all of these 4 buttons together at the same time to restart your graphics card driver. Your screen will flicker for a few seconds, but it may solve the problem. Now, if it does not solve the problem, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, okay, and then you can select this option here which says graphics, advanced graphics, turn off GPU scheduling. Another thing that you can go and try is that you can expand this option for brightness, and it says change brightness based on content. You can turn it off. Now, if this doesn't help, then you will have to restart, or you can say update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, click on device manager, expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first one and update the drivers, right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.